तो जनाब आज हम जा रहे हैं बिग बुधा जो कि फुकेट में वाक़ा है। ये अजीम मुजस्मा सुकून और अमन का निशान है और यहाँ से नज़ारे दिल को महसूस कर देते हैं। तो भाई रास्ते में जाते हुए हमें कुछ एलिफेंट्स भी नज़र आ गए। यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट रुके हुए हैं और एलिफेंट के साथ मजाक मस्ती कर रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं। और ये देखें, मुझे तो काफ़ी बुढ़ा लग रहा है और वहाँ ऊपर भी बहुत सारे एलिफेंट हैं। एनीवेज वक्त हमारे पास कम है, वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी बड़ा एलिफेंट है। ये देखो, टाइम हमारे पास कम है, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो भाई देर किस बात की, आइए फुकेट के बिग बुधा की खूबसूरती को खुद ही देख लीजिए। ऑलराइट जनाब, तो इस वक्त हम बिग बुधा पे पहुंच चुके हैं और सबसे पहले तो ये कर लेते हैं कि बाइक को पार्क कर लेते हैं और बाइक को पार्क करने के बाद चलते हैं ऊपर की तरफ जहां से बिग बुधा के नज़ारे आपको करवाता हूं। तो भाई जब मैं बिग बुधा पहुंचा तो वहाँ काफ़ी सारे लोग मौजूद थे और उसमें बेशतर की तादाद दूसरे ममालिक से थी। चलें आपको दिखाते हैं बिग बुधा कैसा दिखता है अपने ड्रोन कैमरे के ज़रिए। यकीनी तौर पे अच्छा लगेगा। Nice. So guys, this is the view we have got from here. As I mentioned, I am at the top of the mountain and you can see the beautiful landscape here. And a lot of people are here. They're taking pictures. They're with the family. And here you go. Here is the big Buddha. Guys, let me tell you very frankly, this is one of the amazing places I have ever been to. At my right hand side, my cameraman show you, it's totally green on the mountain, totally green on the mountain. I just moved towards the left hand side. It's a very beautiful sea, by the way. And Thailand's sea is very famous for its green and blue water. And I can see a lot of foreigners over here visiting the place. And a little later, we're just gonna go up and see how's the experience to see Big Buddha from there. So let's bounce. Is it really? Okay guys, let's go up and see. Krab, Kapun Krab. Welcome to Thailand, Phuket. Come with me quickly. So guys, finally we are at the top, and here you can see the big Buddha. It's from the sun is just backside of Buddha, and right after this video I'm gonna capture some beautiful pictures and maybe I'm gonna show you at the end with some beautiful music, right? Okay. Hello, how are you guys? Where are you from? Singapore, all right. Can I talk for a while? When did you come to Thailand? Sunday. And how did you find this place, the Big Buddha? Okay, what is the most impressive thing about this place?
The Big Buddha itself, I think it's really enormous in your life, yeah.
Okay. This is very giant, right?
Yes.
So what do you do in Singapore? Students. Are you guys a high school student? University? School? University. What do you study, by the way? Maths and mass communication, right? And you? Oh, all right. My name is Amy and I'm from Pakistan. And I have been in Thailand for 1 year. And I am an English teacher in a college, by the way. Okay, so I just came here with the very first time just to see this place. And I have really found it very interesting. It's unique. And while walking, I'm just having a little chit chat with the people and just getting to know where are they from. And most of them are actually foreigners. So have a very good evening and wish you best of luck for your future.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye bye. Good evening, guys. How are you doing? Where are you from? France. Okay. I'm from Pakistan. How's this place, by the way?
Yeah, it's very cool.
Oh,
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad. Oh, I've got from the very first time this person who says Pakistan Zindabad, the slogan of Pakistan. So how long have you been in Thailand?
Almost 1 month.
1 month. All right. So you must have visited a lot of places. Are you guys a student?
Yeah, no.
Okay. And what about you?
Yeah, 50-50.
50-50.
Sometimes stop.
Okay. Sometimes study, sometimes stop, and just roaming around.
We'll think about that.
Okay, that's nice. So, have you learned any Thai sentence?
Yeah,
Kapun kap, sawadee kap, and one more.
Oh, Sadavini Mika.
And Ching Mak. Okay, thank you very much. Hello. Good evening.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Great.
How's this place, by the way?
I like it.
Okay. So, did you take some beautiful pictures together?
With your help.
Oh, with my help. And it was an amazing photo, by the way.
Thank you.
And where are you from, by the way?
Russia.
Russia. And the weather is still cold in Russia, right?
Snowing, yes.
Okay. And I have met a lot of Russian people in last couple of days, by the way. Let me tell you one thing. You people are so amazing. Very beautiful couple, by the way. Hello.
Hi,
How are you today?
Pretty good.
Where are you from, guys?
we are from California.
California. Okay, that's nice. I'm from Pakistan. So, how have you find this place?
Really impressively large. Yeah,
Okay, and what about the weather?
way too hot. See, I have my umbrella out.
Oh,
We're not used to it.
yeah, but it's still Phuket is better than other cities of Thailand.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so have you taken some pictures or videos?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, thank you very much. Nice meeting.
Of course.
Have a great day.
All right, cool.
Nice. So guys, this is the big Buddha spot, and we have explored almost all the covered area, and there is a sea view as well from here. Maybe I can see, and I can show you too. So this is how Big Buddha looks from the back, and I think this is a cool place. A lot of people, and 95% of them are tourists. At my left you can see a lot of Buddhas sitting and standing together all along. Let's talk to someone. Hello, good evening. Alex, come here, come here. How are you? Good, good. How this place? Very good?
Very good.
You a student? Where are you from?
Russia.
Russia. Oh, that's nice. Do you like this big Buddha? Like, say like. Yes. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, so it was a little chat with the people coming here and just exploring this place at the moment. And It's very nice talking to the people, just knowing how they are feeling at this specific place. And there are some junjuna as well. People are just ringing the bell, ringing the bell, ringing the bell. Let me also try. There's a ghanta. Where is the ghanta? This Buddha is sleeping anyway. Okay, fine. So amazing experience. So I won't say everybody can visit this place, but once you get chance to come to Thailand, and if you visit Phuket, I recommend this place because this is peaceful. It is a cool air. There's a sea around this place, and it's really interesting. Let's enjoy some shots, right? Alright guys, I have showed you all the areas around Big Buddha, and I personally believe you must have enjoyed this place, and people look so happy. I have interviewed some people. They said that it's a very nice place, and one of the attraction of this place is it is on the mountain, and around it there's sea, so you can have a very good landscape view. And this is all from my side today. I hope you must have enjoyed my today's video. I'll see you on the other spot, but before I go, let me tell you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you can subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will see all my upcoming videos in your home screen. Till then, take care. Bye bye.